Ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren, today I have a family home. It's a big house. It's semi-detached to a I think it is offices that is run next to this property here. It's in the quiet part of Observatory. This is a one-way road going down here. This is the old Waverley building, and we're under Devil's Peak. This is the property. It's part of a deceased estate. It is rented out at the moment, and the house now needs to get sold to wind up the estate. The time now is about 11:30 on a weekday. This is Wednesday, and as I say, it's all peaceful and quiet. The tenants that are living here are very happily living here. They would love to continue the rent. The property has got a fiber connection, as you can see. The houses across the street has got lots of trees in this neighborhood. This particular house is quite low maintenance in the sense of it's got very little garden outside space, as you can see here. It's got burglar bars and security doors. It's got a nice stoep here with this is what your view is like. Now let's go and see what it looks like on the inside. Here's a passage. Look at this unusual detail on the walls. This is the entrance to your home. This is one of the bedrooms. There are 4 bedrooms altogether in this property. This room with a fireplace. Right, from this room we'll go to the next room. Both these rooms are east facing, so they should be getting morning sun. Big windows here. Then enter into the lounge. So all the rooms are of a comfortable size. It's spacious rooms. The same here with the lounge that serves as an office, and enough seating here around a working fireplace. That window over there is south facing. This is the 3rd bedroom. None of the rooms have got built-in cupboards. This room overlooks a small courtyard at the back. Then we go into the kitchen, a very basic kitchen, farm style kitchen, eat-in kitchen. Your back door is on that side. Here is a 4th bedroom. It's got some nooks and crannies. This room has got parquet floors. This is your kitchen, lastly consisting of just loose cupboards. The bathroom is at the very end here. Little passage that you have to walk through. It's an old one of those cast iron baths with a shower over the bath. There's a water closet and hand basin. I'm your estate agent Werner. Visit my website hutpropertyincape.com, where you can see a floor plan and all the details of this property. I would love to show you around. Your hand basin, and then we're going to the outside. There's a cat. Very nice little courtyard for potted plants. That door leads to an alleyway servitude at the back. The neighbors are using as parking. Here is a very nice bonus, outside water closet, and then there's a laundry facility over here with washing machine connections and some extra storage space. Now there you have it. If you want to see it in person, give me a call. I'm your estate agent Werner, and you can find all the details on hotpropertyinCapetown.com. Thank you for watching.